Hello and welcome. It's Jean-Pierre and Laurie here. Let's dive into the latest Transfer CFT What's New. As with previous versions, this release is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of an existing Transfer CFT. Fixes and updates in this release include the following: removing the external Swagger UI, improving parameter handling on Unix systems, improved error log messages, and you can now specify a relative date and time for filter transfers in the user interface. You can find supported operating systems for Transfer CFT on the System Support page. This release features several user interface updates, as shown in the following demo.
Transfer CFT 2412 offers a new feature in its UI, with the possibility to customize its own columns for displaying CFT objects. You can see the new columns option there. Now let's add a column for the CFT send templates object list. For example, adding a storage option column which is not available by default. Let's select it and save it. You can now see the new column added to our CFT send template list. You can move the column. This choice is remembered in the interface, and we can verify it by reconnecting to the UI. Now let's start resetting the layout to its default value. Finally, let's just remember that this new feature is available for all CFT objects, but not for the catalog, which keeps its old layout management, and this new feature will be integrated into the catalog in the next version of CFT 2503.
When creating a catalog filter, you can now use relative dates and times in your filters. Transfer CFT's embedded PGB capabilities to protect data confidentiality and ensure end-to-end file integrity are now extended so that they are available on Linux, Windows, and AIX systems, thus ensuring your information remains secure across all major platforms. For this release, we've created an accessibility conformance report that's based on the VPAT version 2.4. This documents the degree of conformance to global accessibility standards for Transfer CFT 310. You can access this report from either the user interface or the Axway documentation portal. We appreciate that everyone is busy, so thank you for taking the time to watch. For more information and resources, check out the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.